Hi guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to be nice to people. So I'm using something to hold up my phone, this like peekaboo baby thingy. Okay, so I'm gonna be nice to people. They will be having a shout out. Thinking, demons. Oh. People aren't really saying hi, and I also got this elegant tail. This person will be having a shout out. I bet. Who else said hi? Who else said hi? Okay, this person said hi. I think this person said hi. I will be friending the people that did say hi. And I think this person said hi. I think this person said hi as well. So I'll be friending that person as well. Okay, this person I am also is also getting a shout out, but I can't friend them. All these people are saying hi. So they will be shouted out, and all these people will just like shout outs. Okay. In a vid. This person's also in a vid. Everyone's in a vid! They said no! I'm going to unlock my den. I'm gonna come to my den if you wanna in this vid. I think, okay, so look at the den thing, because I think a lot of people are going to be going to my den. There's only 3 people in my den right now. I think I might have to say it again. Come to my den if you want to be in a vid.